Here's a 2019 Jeep Cherokee. From rough trails to downtown nightlife, this Jeep Cherokee handles it all with the perfect combination of grit and grace. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, heated steering wheel, streaming audio, upfitter switches, front heated bucket seats, remote engine start smart device, external memory control, active grille shutters, wireless phone connectivity, and LED low and high beam headlights. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.